Hey guys, so I wanted to do a quick tutorial on how I do my updo, like when I do a puff. It's very easy. That's why it's a quick tutorial. I like to start on stretched hair. This isn't as stretched as I normally get it just because I didn't twist it at night the past 2 nights, so it kind of has shrunk up. But my hair, I would say, was about maybe this much wider, so I would recommend at least having your hair stretched out if you have 4C hair like me. And if I don't stretch it out, then it's like that short, because this does not work on my hair when I don't have it stretched out. So if you want to know how I stretch out my hair, I'll have the video in one of these corners. The first thing that I do is I pull my hair up in the back just with my fingers. I don't use any combs or anything for this style. And then I take it all over. So then I pull the sides up. I'm just trying to make sure that my hair is going up versus out like how it was before, and not super intensely, just trying to get it up. And then I take a headband. So okay, don't check my headband that I'm about to show you. Here's the headband, and it was smaller than this originally, but I've used it a lot and it's breaking. I need to go get another headband. You've seen these headbands in Walmart. They're very inexpensive. I'll put a picture right here of what they normally look like. You can use a shoestring, you can use a belt, one of those cloth belts that come on some dresses, but my favorite is to use a headband just because it has the elastic in it to really stretch to get around all of your hair. So I take my headband and I cut it to where it's a string. Then I take the base of it and go on the back of my head and work it up and around my puff. So here's what we have. It's just around really the bottom of my hair. And then I tie it the first step of tying your shoe and go all the way to my actual head. Then I hold this to try to make sure that it doesn't come loose, because I want it tight, but not too tight. And then I start pushing up the sides to get it to where I can start to tighten up the shoestring or headband. Hopefully this does not break while I'm doing this. Then I go in just working it back and forth like this. Then if I feel like it's not coming as easy as I want it, then I go in with my fingers and just push it up. Okay, then I just get it as close up as I want it, and this is how tight that I want it. So then I really squeeze it to where it may even give me a headache. And then I just circle it back around, tighten it as much as I can, and tuck it underneath the string that I've tightened. So we're just tucking it in on the side, and you can't see it because it's underneath your puff. And do the same thing on this side. Pull it as tight as I can and tuck it underneath the string. Okay, then you just want to move it to make sure that the string isn't showing, and bam, that's how I do my ponytail puffs. My pony puff is what I call it. Let me know if you try this out down in the comments. If you didn't know how to do it, let me know if you've already been doing this. Thank you guys so much for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure that you thumbs up and subscribe, and I promise I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.